This was a $1,500 Christmas lighting job that we did in about 2 hours, and I'm going to be breaking down the entire job for you, showing you exactly how we did it, the whole process of how it works and everything. So if you're looking to start a Christmas lighting business, then I hope this video helps you a lot. So first things first, when we get to a job, my brother starts putting the bulbs in the sockets if we haven't done that already. I definitely recommend that you do that before you get to your jobs because it takes a lot of time. And doing it beforehand can cut your job time in half because then all you got to do is just get up there, get on your ladders, and start installing immediately. But we have two guys, my brother and I, so he starts doing that while I start setting everything up. But as you can see here, I'm taking off the clips that we already had on the wire and putting on shingle tabs because I just thought shingle tabs would be better to use for this job. Not really for any specific reason, I just wanted to get rid of the shingle tabs that we already had. So now as you can see, I'm just sliding in the shingle tabs into that top row of shingles there. There's nothing really too complicated about putting lights on a house. The most complicated thing you're going to really run into is running your bare wire, especially when you have a bunch of columns and railings and a bunch of other lights that you need to connect to a single strand. And then you got to find the most efficient way to do that without making it look messy too. So, and for those of you that don't know what bare wire is, it is literally just a strand of wire that we use to connect lights together, run power to the lights. You can cut it to any size that you want, and then you just put a male and a female on each side, and then you connect it to your lights and to your power source. So it's definitely one of the most important things to have in your arsenal for your Christmas lighting business because you need to run power to your lights, you need to connect lights together. Everything is going to be on one timer, so you want to make sure everything is connected, and that's how you do it with the bare wire. But besides that, if you're looking to start this business, I'd start real simple. Our inventory is basically just the bulb wire, which is what I'm installing here, the bulbs, the clips, our female and male connections, and some mini lights that we use for railings, bushes, columns, things like that. Besides that, keep it simple. This is an inventory rich business where you're going to want to get a hang of keeping track of your inventory before you start going crazy ordering a bunch of stuff. It'll just make it way easier starting out and give you way less headaches. So keep it simple. That's a big tip. Here I'm installing the female end on. This is the corner that I started at with the male end. As you can see here, there's a connection. I'm running that bare wire, that's the bare wire, down to the outlet, which is near that AC unit there. Just going behind the chimney, I zip tied it to these pipes so that the wire's not going to just be dangling around and it's a little more clean looking. And then I'm going to put that photocell timer on there connected to the outlet with all the lights connected to that line of bare wire there. So the lights come on automatically at night and they'll stay on for 4, 6, or 8 hours depending on whatever you set it to. And here my brother is just running bare wire to the railings because he put some minis along them just to make it pop a little bit more, make the house look better. We kind of just added that in as a little add-on. But yeah, everything came out well. It was a simple job, nothing too crazy. $1,500, it was about 2 hours. So I hope this helped. If you're looking to start a Christmas lighting business, definitely subscribe and also check out the link in the description. There's a free guide on exactly everything you need to start this business. I'll see you in the next one.